Once upon a time, in a cozy village nestled between rolling hills, lived a group of happy and friendly animals. The village was called Harmonyville because everyone lived together in peace. In Harmonyville, you could find animals of all shapes and sizes. There were wise old owls who perched on tall trees and gave advice to anyone who asked. Playful squirrels darted around collecting acorns, while diligent beavers built impressive dams along the bubbling stream. At the heart of the village was a big oak tree that served as a meeting place for all the animals. Every month, they gathered to celebrate their friendship and share stories of their adventures. The gatherings were filled with laughter and joy. One day, a new animal arrived in the village. It was a shy rabbit named Rosie. Rosie felt a bit nervous being in a new place with unfamiliar faces. But the villagers welcomed her with open arms. As time went on, Rosie's worries faded away. She made friends with everyone and joined in the monthly gatherings. She shared stories about her life, and the other animals listened with keen interest. Rosie was now an important part of Harmonyville. One sunny day, a storm cloud appeared on the horizon. The wind howled, and rain poured down. The animals rushed to the big oak tree for shelter. They huddled together, helping and comforting one another. Through their teamwork and caring hearts, the villagers faced the storm together. As the rain stopped and the sun peeked out, they looked around and realized that their bond had grown even stronger. Rosie smiled, grateful for the wonderful friends she had found, and so,